Do your Fox Mustang's windows rattle like this? Of course they do. Here's how to fix them. First, you need to remove the door panels, which means removing the mirror, door handle, and switch bezels, and the armrest. If any of the fasteners or clips are broken or missing, now's a great time to replace them. They're readily available, so there's no excuse for not fixing them. Use a panel popper to detach the door panel without damaging it. Pop the switch housings out carefully. These window guide bushings can get worn, and replacements are readily available. You have to remove the window guide to swap them out. New guide bushings snap into place. Placing the top bushing on the guide rail before installation gives you a little more wiggle room. The door belt weather strip also gets crusty and sloppy, so we're going to replace this as well. This old window run channel weather strip was so crusty it broke into pieces when we removed it. New run channel weather strip is available and works wonders for sloppy windows. We used a putty knife to wiggle the old door belt weather strip free from the trim and snapped the new weather strip into place before reinstalling it on top of the door. These door panel Christmas tree fasteners are usually broken or missing, so we replaced all of them with fresh parts. You'd be surprised how much of a difference they make. We lined up the door panel back on the door and tapped the panel back into place. This is how doors should sound.